Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Lots of you guys are asking me, hey, which dishwasher do I buy? Which one will last longer now that none of these seem to last very long? Instead of which brand, let me show you something even more important, and that is which feature. The dishwashers always work great right when you buy them, right? And then after a year or two, they don't clean the dishes as well, maybe even less time than that. It's because the little ports that squirt out the water get plugged up. You need a dishwasher that's very easy to clean out those ports. And some dishwashers, it is easy. Let me show you this one right here. Other dishwashers, it's a total pain in the neck and you can never really get the gunk out of there. Let me show you what I mean.
Right, so look at this arm right here, and it has these small holes. See this one here? And it has several of these. They're small enough that they can spray water pretty hard onto your dishes. But the problem is they're also small enough that small little particles, see this one right here? Can you see that? Something's plugging it up. And look, that one too, plugged up. When that happens, this is not gonna work correctly. Let's clean it out. You ready to go? So on this one right here, you can see this little star part kind of sticking out. It's designed, you can kind of put your hand around like this, give it a little quarter turn, and we're going counterclockwise. Pops out, easy as that.
I've seen other people run water in this hole and try to maybe backwash these little ports, but really your best bet is to take these arms off. And they are designed to come off. Before we take it apart, you'll notice these arms are not identical. Look on the back side, there's actually a hole right there. And this one over here also has a hole right there. Look at that, clogged up. Of course it is. Let's clean those out. But some of the others do not. So here's my recommendation. Take these arms off one at a time, clean it, put it back on. That way you make sure you get the orientation just right back to where it was. With these, all we're gonna do is kind of pull and give it a little twist. Let me show you that top side too. They're also numbered, so you could see that has a 4 right there. Here's a 1, 2. This is the feature that you need on your new dishwasher. Look how these pull apart. Some dishwashers don't have this.
A little twist, just back and forth like this. Gentle pull, they're made to slide out. Oh, look at all that grossness. No wonder, oh, look at that, see in there? So that goop, that nonsense gets put into these holes, and that is why your dishwasher is not working correctly.
So my friends, that's the key feature that you need to make sure that your dishwasher has. Do these arms, these spray arms, can you pull them off to make sure you can clean out all that gunk? You need to do it on a regular basis. Some of them, you don't have the ability to pull them off, and you have to kind of like backwash them with water, and you never really get all that goop out of there. I mean, you saw how much was there. You can't really get it all unless you can take the arms off. So when you go to buy a new dishwasher, instead of trying to decide all these other features that it has, make sure that you can pull these arms off so that you can clean them thoroughly. Hey friends, I hope today's video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.